Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck, like that, and install free app from Flar2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now, as you can see, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!